I'm here at Hodge Clemco in Sheffield. I've come to have a go at a new cabinet vapor blasting carburettors. So I've got some I've got a few carburetor bits here. This is from a DGAV, a 3236 DGAV. This is basically a very good candidate for restoration, and I'm going to have a go at using this vapor blaster cabinet that they have to see how suitable it is. So next time you see these, they should be nice and clean. So is that Honite?
Yeah, so it's just a glass bead.
Right, that's lovely, that is.
And that's quite a fine one, so we do different grades.
Brilliant.
Sample how good if you want.
See, the a guy that does it for me now, he uses dry. He doesn't use vapor blasting. He just uses it dry.
Dry, yeah.
And I'm interested in doing it dry. Is this what
this is dry? So we're all dry. We
Great.
only do dry.
Great.
So your finish is slightly different. It's with vapor, it tends to be duller.
Right.
Sometimes it helps because it swirls around a bit.
Yeah.
But dry gives it more of a sheen.
Okay. Good.
So we'll just drop a bit of this in.
Thank you.
And you don't when you buy this maybe.
Oh right, you can drop it. Oh, I see what you're doing.
At a time, but we just we want just a bit in the bottom.
Yep.
So we recycle around. So initially, so the extractor just turns on from here.
Right.
And I'll put the last measurement.
So that.
That's just
Yep.
that pulled in.
That did, yeah.
Pulled in there
Yeah,
straight
yeah,
away.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just see what sort of pressure we got to start with. So that's quite a low pressure.
Okay.
Probably about 20 psi. So what do you want to
Just that top cover there will do. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Everything wants to be dry when it goes in. That's okay. So there's nothing there that can be damaged or anything?
That's just bare
as
that
it is.
aluminium casting.
Okay.
It's only a test piece anyway, so.
Is it getting hard to find all the carbs nowadays, the old second-hand ones?
This one is easy. This one here is popular, but some of the older Webers of the 50s and 60s, they're difficult, yeah. And that's the ones that I want to be able to do in-house.
Okay. So start off with the low pressure and then we'll just see where we are, and I might turn the pressure up a bit.
Do you think this is soft enough to not damage the abrasion, the surface of the carburetors?
Yeah, I won't do that.
Well, that was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it's just. Now we can turn the pressure up when it'll come up a bit brighter.
I think I would turn the pressure up a bit.
Okay,
yeah.
up a little bit.
What? So that was 20 psi. What's this?
We've got to about 40 now.
Okay.
So I'll do the same bit again.
Thank you. Yeah, that's started
More back
to new.
proper,
Yeah.
nice and clean. If you want to go, have a go.
Thank you. I will have a go. Right then, chaps, I've been to use these guys set up, and I haven't finished this, but it already looks very nice, and it's so simple. Well, once you've set everything up. See that? It's pretty almost like brand new. And it's dry. It's not vapor blasting. It's just dry glass bead blasting. It's called Honite. And I think I went up to 60 psi with this. Yeah. So I need to save the pennies to get this cabinet and extractor from them, and also buy a suitable compressor. So I'm happy with that. See you guys.